Stop by and take a look at the 2018 RX. The Lexus RX offers a spacious interior with an extremely high level of quality. The RX is the perfect fit for those looking for fuel efficiency, a wide variety of safety and technology features, and that luxury feel. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, LED headlights. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.